Meaning of heads up.
Heads up.
Heads up.
Heads up.
Heads up. Heads up is an idiom that means being alert, vigilant, or aware of something important that is about to happen or has just happened. It can refer to giving someone a warning or piece of information in advance so that they can prepare themselves or avoid danger, or simply being attentive and responsive to the situation at hand. This term is commonly used in various contexts, such as sports, military, aviation, business, and everyday life. Being heads up is considered an essential skill for effective decision-making and risk management.